Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am on my way home from work. It's been a while since I've vlogged and I apologize for that. It is Thursday. I'm so ready for Friday, but work has been good. I am back at the office as of this week. I went and moved all my stuff in on Tuesday and it was fabulous. I took Monday off to do freezer meals for my son and I got 17 done, and that video will post next Friday the 12th, and it's over 2 hours long. It's a big one, but I did it from start to finish, so I think that you guys will like that, and hopefully I will do more of them. But it is a day, let me tell you. It is a lot of work, but I got to deliver that to Alex and Chloe, and I got to kiss on them and their kitty cat. Well, I didn't kiss on them, I guess. I kissed on my son a little bit, but he's not into that. His mama like kissing on him, so bummer. But I did kiss on the kitty cat a lot. He seems to like his grandma. We had a good time, and I didn't stay long because I was pooped. I'm not kidding. Like, just making the meals, and I went shopping that morning, which I know I shouldn't do, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and I explained all of that in the video. But I went shopping in the morning, and then I came home, and then I prepared all the meals and got them all ready and cooked most of them and got them in bags and foil containers for the kids. And I actually made them 17, and then we had the lasagna one, and we also had a chili. We ate chili that night, and then lasagna we had the next night, so Tuesday night, and it was really good. So that's fabulous. And tonight I went and stopped at Fazoli's and got that for dinner because, whew, I am just pooped. You know, just changing your routine makes you kind of tired anyway, and I guess I'm not getting any younger. And I am really having a good time. I'm looking forward to, well, Lisa and I met with Lisa on Saturday, and we went to Hobby Lobby, and we got quite a bit of things. I even got the kids some plates. I may have mentioned this in a vlog already, but I don't know. But they had their, like, I know I'm not saying it right, melamar or something, some sort of like plasticky ware. It's not as good as like China or even like fake China, like dinnerware, but it is nice for, I mean, they're 19, well, she's 20, I guess, but you know, they're starting out. It's all fine. It's better than the Dollar Tree stuff. Well, maybe not, because you can get some of the really great stuff at the Dollar Tree, so I'm not going to even say that. But I mean, it's decent stuff, and it feels nice, and but it's plastic, which is fabulous, I think, for these young kids, because who knows, you know, they could drop it, they could spill it. They don't have a kitchen table, so they kind of just eat on the couch. They don't even have any place for a kitchen table, so you know, it's all good though. They're happy, and that makes me happy. And so they had really cute light pink and navy blue ones, and they had all different colors, but I liked the light pink and the navy blue together. They looked really pretty, and pink is her favorite color. Blue isn't necessarily Alex's favorite color, but he likes it, and I know that it was cute together, so I got them those. And haven't talked to Katie for a little bit. I mean, she's doing well. I've chatted with her. She's doing well, which is good. That reminds me, I need to call my aunt, because my aunt is going to Taylor for grandparents weekend, and she needed some help registering, so I need to call her back. But all is good. Dennis is doing well. He likes his job that he's working at. And Alex, I don't know if I mentioned this, but he got a security guard job, so he's going to be starting that. He actually had some training, so he should be like doing the work here soon. I haven't heard back from him. I did ask him that, but I haven't heard back. Kids are funny, you know. They want your help when they want your help, but then when you have questions, it seems like they distance themselves. I don't know. Maybe it's just my kids, but I have a feeling it's not. And you know, they're great kids, so whatever. I'm trying to let them live their lives and not be the smother that I tend to be. And I am doing more paper crafting again. I'm loving it. I haven't really been knitting very much. Made some washcloths. I needed to do that for myself. I also need to make some for my friends. And I haven't really worked on anything else as far as knitting goes, which is crazy because I was loving it. And I still love it, but I just have been on this paper craft thing. That is the one thing that I will say I always go back to. I used to scrapbook, and you know, I have paper crafted for years and years and years. So I think that's my true love, because I always go back to that. I'm not saying I won't continue to knit, because I will, but paper crafting seems to be my favorite thing to do. That guy is texting. Oh, crazy. And I also went ahead and signed up to sell Stampin' Up! Again. I know. And I really am doing it because I want the discount. But if any of you guys need a demonstrator and want to order, you know, of course you can order under me. But I'm doing it more as a hobbyist. At least that's what my plan is right now. That guy is scaring me because he is totally not paying attention, and he's kind of swerving. And I do not want him to hit me, and he's staying right there in my blind spot. Now he's going straight and I'm turning. And he was still on his phone. People are crazy. I mean, I'm using my phone, I get it, but at the same time, I'm not taking my eyes off the road. I'm being careful, and this is almost just like talking to a passenger, which, oh. Cool. He's telling me I have to go straight here. Which is all right. Because this is where I wanted to go straight anyway, but they're tearing up that road. Oh my word. This is so bizarro. Hopefully I can turn on Cumberland. I think I can. All right, well that actually worked out even better. Okay, cool. So I am going to play with some paper when I get home. I think that's what I want to do, since I don't have to cook dinner. Yay. I'm going to grab the mail and take my shoes off, make myself a cup of nice hot coffee, and go in my craft room, and I'm going to work on a couple MD cards. And that does remind me, if you guys didn't see the MD swap video, if you guys are interested in swapping, please check that out, because what I'm doing is trying to give everybody the opportunity that might want to swap. So if you make an MD card and send it to me, you will be entered to win 5 MD cards in return. So not everybody will be able to win, but I have more than one person will win 5 MD cards in exchange. So it sounds like it'll be fun. I think that hopefully I will have people that want to participate, and we can swap, and it'll be neat. And also the $100 gift card is about to end too for the Jord watch, which I really do love. I mean, I'm wearing it every day just because I think it's functional and beautiful. So you can win $100 toward a watch, and if you watch that Jord video, that will have a link for you in that too. So check those 2 videos out if you're interested, because I know not everybody can watch every video. So those are 2 that have things going on. If you want to join in, check those videos out. The Jord watch one and the MD, I think I may have called it MD swap or memory decks swap, something like that. And yeah, you can participate and hopefully win. So yeah, I guess that's that. Here's a guy like talking on his phone and smiling and doing this. It's cute. All right. right, well, I'm almost home, so I am going to let you guys go. I just wanted to check in and tell you guys that I'm thinking of you, and I'm sorry it's been a little minute. It's just been changing routine and chatting with my friends on the way home from work instead of vlogging, which it's crazy sometimes. But I love my friends. This Saturday, we're going to meet with Ellen at her neck of the woods, so that'll be fun. And I'm really looking forward to it. And we swap MD cards there, so I will have to show you guys the cards that I got from them. So yay! Well, that is that. I will talk to you soon. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great weekend. Bye-bye.